Hey everybody, it's me. It's Amanda from Forward Motion. As you can see, I'm super excited. I had to get on here and talk to you guys a little bit about what we have coming up on September 25th. We have a financial literacy workshop. Yes, it's time to get your money right. Financial literacy workshop. It's a 2 hour workshop with me and our team. And we're going to be looking at everything from money mindset, right? We're going to be looking at why do we make the decisions that we make when it comes to money? And how do I lean into my values in order to change any habits that need to change and continue any really good habits that I have that are going to take me to the next level? Right. The next thing that we're going to look at is we're going to look at budgeting and planning. Okay. So, one of the most important things about financial literacy is being able to create a viable budget and plan for the unexpected, right? Because the unexpected always happens, but we also want to have a really strong budget that helps us to reach our goals, that helps us to get to where we need to get to. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to go over it. We're going to workshop it. We're going to do it, right? The next thing that we're going to look at is we're going to look at understanding, repairing, and using credit. Using credit, I know for some of us growing up, right, credit was a bad word, right? You don't want credit cards. You don't want to buy things on credit. We got those people who are, I only buy things on cash. And you know what? That's just not how the world works. So we're going to talk about how to utilize credit for better, how to utilize credit for good, and how to access capital and leverage capital in order to reach your goals. And we're also going to talk again about goal setting, because a big thing for me and a big thing for Forward Motion is making sure that you all have really strong goals that are not only set out, they're not only smart goals, but are also help you to be held accountable to, right? Accountability partnership is really important in life. I think, anyone will tell you, any successful person will tell you that part of their success has to be within their accountability partnerships, within their mentors, within the people that they look up to that are helping them to get to where they want to be. And Forward Motion wants to be a part of your accountability partnership circle, right? So that's what we're doing on September 25th. Okay, it's only $25, right? $25. Reserve your seat now. Tickets are going fast. And so we want to make sure that anyone who wants to gain this knowledge is able to get into the workshop. To reserve your spot for our Get Your Money Right financial literacy workshop, go to signup.forwardmotionaz.org/FL. Okay. Sign up.forwardmotionaz.org/FL. If you have any questions, reach out to info@forwardmotionaz.org. Excited to help. We can't wait to see you. Bring a friend, share this video, share the link, share the sign up, share the flyer. Let's have some fun, guys. This workshop is going to be held in downtown Mesa. I'm going to flash all the information on the screen before we end this video here, but super excited to have you all coming in, checking out what we have going on, and learning with us. It's like I said, it's time to get your money right. It's time to move forward. Forward Motion, Amanda Miller. Let's do it.